Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On this particular tutorial, I'm going to take you through sum and the SUMIF, how to work on the two on your Excel. Now, let's assume that this is the data that you have been given of Sunshine School. So if at all you want to calculate the sum of each of the students that we have in our list, for the Faith John, this is the formula that you use. For the sum, always start with the equal sign, followed by the word sum, then open your brackets, then the range. The range is from mathematics all the way to physics, which is now from E7 colon all the way to I7. Then you close your brackets, then you press the enter button. It's very simple and very straight. Now, having gotten the first answer, to get the remaining answer across all the remaining sheets, what you are supposed to do, take your cursor up to the bottom right, then it will turn into across, then you drag it along all the way to the last part, and as you can see, all the remaining cells have been adding up correctly. Okay, having done that, now let's move to the SUMIF. And SUMIF is one of the logical functions that we have. The other two is the nested if and the count if. For the SUMIF, this function will add the values in a range of cells that meets a specified condition and return the results. Now let's assume that you want to get the sum of students that managed to get 50 and above, assuming that 50 is the average mark, is the midpoint. So what you're supposed to do, okay, let me try to, okay, so step number one, we have the equal sign, or we start with the equal sign, then the SUMIF, then open the brackets. For the SUMIF, what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to introduce the range. The range is the region that you want to calculate. Now we want to calculate from this part, which is the I. You can just click at the specific cell that you want to deal with. Then the other one is definitely the last part. After you include the colon, you can go direct to the cell that you are interested with. Then the next part, we have the criteria. The criteria is we want to calculate or to find the sum of the values that are above 50. So we have any value that is greater than 50. Then you close your brackets, then you press the enter button. So you'll find that we have added all the values that are above 50. For example, these one, 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 and these other, and for the 74. So those are the steps that we take to find the sum of students that are able to meet a certain condition, and that is how simple it is. For the count if, I've already prepared another video. You can go to my channel and try to go through. You'll be able to see on how to work with the count if. Thank you for taking time to watch this one. In case you have any query or any clarification that you need, just write it down on the comment section. I'll get back to you. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.